Hey, this video I wanted to shoot here to show everybody kind of how to set up your lead capture page and what exactly a lead capture page is, and also integrate it with a follow-up autoresponder email. So if you're brand new to internet marketing and doing anything kind of online, this might seem a little technical and might not make sense at first, but bear with me. It'll all make sense in the end. I'm going to do my best to explain it. And, if you have any questions after the video, please feel free to shoot me a message via Facebook or email. And I'll do my best to clear everything up for you. Alright, so to start off, what is a lead capture page? A lead capture page is basically a way to capture a person's email address and their contact information so you can follow up with them. They're pretty important if you want to grow a list of names, or if you want a systems set up where they can be emailed every few days. And it's kind of been proven that each email is going to be an exposure to the contact who looks into your website, and it's been proven that takes about 7 exposures for some people to be persuaded to purchase something. So if they see your website once and watch the video and think it's great, they still might not be persuaded to jump on board. But the emails are going to be basically going to follow up with them every few days automatically, and it's going to bring people into the wake up to success calls and the training calls, and bring them to the Facebook pages and get them involved with the community. That way they're much more likely to join up with you. So let's just follow what I do here, and you will all be set up. Even if it doesn't make sense to you, follow what I'm doing. And at the end, right now I'm gonna show you a way to set it up with the company's autoresponder. And so if you're brand new to email or to internet marketing and marketing online, do it this way for now. If you already have a Aweber account, Aweber is an autoresponder service that if costs $19 a month. But if you're serious about marketing online and doing this for the long term, I would highly recommend getting it, because that way you capture your own leads. So people are you can market to them, for as long as they stay on your list down the road. And it's a really, really handy thing to have. You always hear people say that the money is in the list. It's true. So let's get out of here. First thing I want you to do is log into your back office. Oh, and if I go too fast, which I probably will, please pause the video, and you're going to fill out whatever you need to do and then play it and carry on. Not sure what happened with logging in here. Alright, so back in my back office here. If you haven't seen the first video I walk you through the back office, go do that before anything else, because that's what you should have done first. It's the video at the top of my blog here that has the steps that you would have been sent the link to in the email you got after signing up. So here we go. So from the back office, I want you to click on my account right over here. Now, you should have already filled this all out after the first video that I showed you. So scroll right down to the bottom, and you're going to see right here, note, you must click submit button for changes to take effect. You can ignore that, but down here right below it says to add your Aweber autoresponder, click here. Even if you don't have Aweber, you still need to click here, because it's going to set up your lead capture page. Alright, now that we're in here, notice this link right here. I want you to click on that, but in a new tab, so I can show you what is on it. And this is it. This is your lead capture page. So basically, this is the link you're going to want to promote, because people are going to put in their email address in here and be taken to the overview video. But what you need to do is, you notice that the link has at the end of it, it says ID equal sign. After the equal sign, you need to put in your ID that you used to log in and everything when you signed up. So, my ID is Mitch MCC. Put that in here. Now, once you've done that, copy it, hit enter again. Well, I guess for your case it doesn't matter at the moment. So basically, just do that. Get your login information on there and bookmark that link or save it somewhere. Paste it to a note, because that's the link that you are going to be promoting from now on. Very important. This is your link that you need to promote. Okay. Now, in here, back in your back office, that's my Aweber. You're going to put in your list name here. That was my Aweber list name, okay? It is for my personal account, so you don't even need to worry about that. The company, great thing about them, and everything they do to make this as seamless as possible starting out, is not only did they provide a lead capture page, they also provided a follow-up email service, which has 12 emails that's going to follow up with your people that log in or opt in to your website. And they have all you need to do to get those emails sent out. Let me explain here. If you opt in here right now with a test email account and hit get instant access, it's going to say email service email account not active. So I'm not going to do that right now because mine is active, but that's what will happen to you if you haven't done any of this yet. What you need to do is go right here onto my blog, and right below the video that you're watching right now, underneath here, it's going to say I have them starred. Here's the list code if you don't want to get Aweber. The list name, this is just the company list name that's going to automatically send the follow-up emails in your name on your behalf. It's called NMVT Works. I want you to copy that, or just remember, it's pretty easy to remember. Copy it maybe just in case, and paste it in here in your Aweber email campaign name. Then hit submit to change. Now later in the video, account's been updated, so later in the video I'm going to show you, if you're interested in getting Aweber and collecting your own leads, how to do that. But this is for the basics. If you want, I recommend everyone do this right off the start if you've never done anything online before, and that way you can get out the gate quickly and start promoting. Now basically go in here, put in any email you want, I guess. Maybe an email that, if you have a second email account, put that in, or a test email account. Right now, just for test purposes, test1234@gmail.com. That's just a made up email address. You can hit get instant access. I'm going to pause this video. Alright, so now you see how up here it still says, it goes right to your main link for your main homepage here. That's going to give people the quick overview, 5-minute overview presentation. But what you want to do is scroll down here to make sure it's connected to you. It's going to say your name and have your phone number right there, referred by Mitch McCarger, phone number, but it's going to have your name instead if everything was set up right. And if you just did everything I did there, you shouldn't have any troubles whatsoever. Alright, so let's just go back to your main account here. Basically, you're set up now. You're all set. So as long as you keep that link for your lead capture page safe somewhere and always use that to promote, you're going to get people opting into your video, opting into this page. Opting in means putting in your email address. And this video, or this page here, I mean, it seems simple, but it's been proven that it has about a 30% opt-in rate, and that's extremely high. And what that means is for every 100 people that look at this, see this page, 30 of them are going to opt in, and that way they're going to be sent into the autoresponder and get follow-up emails, you know, every few days from the company with links back to, you know, getting them to sign up and getting them basically more familiar with the company. And the links in the email are already coded to you, since you're the one that brought them, introduced the website to them first. Every time they go back to it through any of the links in the email, they will be coded to you, so you are going to get credit if and when they sign up. Alright, so I'm going to pause this right now and start getting set up to show anyone who's interested in setting up your Aweber account how basically to go about it, and we will continue from there. Actually, you know what? I'm probably just gonna make a new video. Yeah, I'll make a new video here for the Aweber account for anyone who's interested in that. So, at the moment, take care and good luck. If you have any questions with that setup process, if there's anything you didn't understand or something wasn't working properly, send me an email or shoot me a message on Facebook, and or even type it into any of the groups that you've joined, any of the Facebook groups, and there'll be an answer for you right away. The groups are really great support, so I really highly recommend using them for any questions you might have, because you can get an answer very quickly in case I'm not available checking my emails. Alright, take care.